gotta turn on the light. Ugh. I'm in bed and I'm gonna be playing Animal Jam. Okay, so this next video, I'm just stretching. I'm going to my house. Ooh, I'm cold. I don't have any blankies on. Ooh, I'm cold. Where is my wolf? Here is my wolfie, my coyote thingy. I wanted to see if I can decorate one of my other houses with all these items that I have. I don't know. I have these. Do I have more? Oh, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 houses. Yeah. What is this? What is... Wait, you can buy music? I want to buy music. What is... I want something that'll sound like water. What is this? That does not sound good. That kind of sounds good. I'm going for this one. I love that. Oh, you can hear it. Oh, now he has his toy. Why didn't you get it in the other episode? Why? Why? Stop going in circles. Stop getting on your house. I basically have this because it matches my house, but I think we're gonna go shopping for some stuff today. I want to see if there's anything good in the sapphire shop. I wanted a necklace that there's only why? Craft shoes. Ooh, I saw this. I want this. It's a wristband, so it's basically for your paws. So we're gonna go back. Okay, so now I'm gonna wear this. Where is it? I don't see it. No, I want to wear this. Oh, there it is. It's right there. Yeesh. What? No, that looks bad. Take it off. How do you take this off? I think that's all. I basically didn't change anything except for that little spiky thingy. But guys, I'm gonna give you a little choice right here of what I should buy for my front yard. So I really want something for the outside area. So like it could be any of these. The apple tree, banana trap, or the banana plant, floral light strand, Jamali Day, the present little thingy, and then the Jamal Day spiral, the orange tree, the pine tree, pretty flowers, summer tulip lamp, or hold on, I'm trying to find it. The movie theater, reels, pizza dartboard, diner, jukebox, the small trampoline that actually matches my house, the wave surfboard that actually will match it too, floral surfboard, the Egyptian puzzle box, a laptop, a magma lamp, a wooden TV, and a princess chest. I am actually gonna get the laptop. Should I? Yeah, it matches my upstairs. And the surfboard. So you guys can pick a lot of items I just said. And I'll see you in the next video.